You think you failed, don't you? That business that didn't work. That relationship that fell apart. That dream that died. You're calling it failure. But what if I told you it wasn't failure at all? What if it was preparation? See, God don't waste nothing. Every closed door, every rejection, every time you fell flat on your face, He was taking notes. He was building something in you that success never could. Because success teaches you confidence, but failure teaches you dependence. Success makes you think you got it figured out, but failure drives you to your knees. And Mama, that's exactly where God needs you. On your knees, surrendered, ready to be molded. You think your kids need to see you win all the time? Nah, they need to see you lose and still trust God. They need to see you fail and still get back up. They need to see that your faith isn't tied to your circumstances, it's tied to your Creator. Because here's what most parents miss. You're not just raising kids who succeed, you're raising kids who can handle failure without losing their faith. And how do they learn that? By watching you. Every time you didn't get the job but still praised Him, they saw that. Every time the money didn't come through but you still tithed, they felt that. Every time your plans crumbled but you still said, God, I trust you, they learned that. Your so-called failures, those are their future survival skills. That's the foundation that'll keep them standing when their world shakes. See, God wasn't punishing you with that setback. He was preparing you for the setup. He was stripping away your self-reliance so you'd learn total God reliance. And now you get to pass that down. You get to show your babies that failure isn't final. It's fertilizer. It's what grows the strongest faith. So stop hiding your failures from your kids like there's something to be ashamed of. Let them see the whole story, the fall and the rise, the mess and the message, the failure and the faithfulness. Because the next generation of prayer warriors isn't raised in perfection, they're raised in perseverance. They're raised by mamas who know that when you fall 7 times, you get up 8. And they're raised with the truth that God's not done with you just because you didn't get it right the first time. Your failure was never the end of your story, Mama. It was just the beginning of your testimony. If you're ready to stop letting fear of failure keep you from being intentional with your kids' faith, if you're ready to turn your lessons into their legacy, I've got something that'll help. Check the link. Let's prepare the next generation together.